Hey guys, do you want to start selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or art directly from your Shopify store? It's easier than you think, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. So if you don't have a store yet, sign up at shopify.com and follow the simple prompts to get your Shopify ready. Don't worry, no coding needed. So head over to your Shopify dashboard and you will see this page where you'll have to click on products and click on add product button at the top right. Now you'll see this add product page where you'll have to give your product a catchy title, a detailed description just like a physical product, but remember to highlight the digital perks like instant delivery. So we are going to create our product named Side Hustle and Startup Guide. So this is going to be a digital ebook. Now we'll copy this and click on this generate text, paste it here and click on generate, and Shopify's AI will generate a comprehensive description for our product. If you want to generate again, click on this and this will change. I'm okay with it, so I'll click on keep. Now you'll have to upload images for your product. What you can also do is navigate to ChatGPT, type in create a digital product image for and name your product. Hit enter and this will instantly create an image for your product. So as you can see, we have successfully created an image for our product. I will click on download button and I will navigate to Shopify. I will click on upload new and choose that image that we just created. Now, after adding media for your product, you'll have to add the pricing for your product. You can also add cost per item, compare at price, and you'll have to make sure that you uncheck this box that is inventory track quantity because this is not a physical product. Also, you'll have to remove this checklist that says this is a physical product. Remove this. You can also add variants for your digital product. After this, you can edit the meta fields at the bottom, that is the search engine listing, and click on save button at the top. Congratulations, you have your first digital product ready to be published and it is online. Now you can click on view your online store and that will instantly take you to your digital product. So Shopify doesn't natively deliver digital files, so you will need an app like Shopify Digital Downloads and it's free and official. You can navigate to Shopify, click on Add Apps button. Now click on the Shopify App Store link at the bottom and search for Shopify Digital Downloads. Now install any one of these digital downloads. So after installing it from this store, you'll have to upload your file that could be in PDF, MP3 or zip. So whatever your digital product is. In my case, it could be PDF because it was an ebook. Now before going live, you can do a test purchase to make sure that your customers get the download link instantly and everything works smoothly. Also, you can use Shopify's marketing tools to share your digital product on social media, build an email list or run discount campaigns to boost your first sales. So that's the simple way through which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.